Hey everyone, my name is Isaias Jacobi. Today I just released my new Lightroom preset pack, so you can become a better photographer, you can learn from my edits, and maybe you can find your interest while you're looking at my edits. So I basically have, in this preset pack, it has three sunsets, 2 black and white, and 1 teal edit. So let's look at some of the sunset ones real quick here. Also, go download it, go buy it down below. But yeah, let's get right into this. So most of these are pretty pink, and this is usually how I edit, but it honestly, it depends so much on the image itself. So as you can see, we already got a really nice, decent sunset from that, and you can reset it. It looks completely different. And that was the pink one, I believe. Yep, the pink one. Then we have the purple one. These are some of the presets that I use on a day-to-day type thing. Of course, I edit them. There's some more tutorials and some more videos down below on how you can learn from these. But let's see. Let's go on to this. This, I believe, used the black and white one. So this is also in a tutorial, but let's go and try the black and white. So I have 3 exposures for each preset. So I believe there's 16 presets in total, but they all let you do the exposure. So let's see. I think a medium exposure, and then maybe up a little bit. That's perfect. Yeah, so this is one of the black and white ones that I usually do. You can go check that one out as well. And then I don't believe we have any portraits. I don't think I took many portraits due to Corona. Let's try it on this one with some people. Let's reset this real quick. Completely different, as you can see. We touched up the edges and we did all that. But let's go down to teal here. I believe, where is this one? I think it's marked under sunset, but it's more of a lighter toned, and this usually works well, especially if you turn down saturation a little bit. It works really well for portraits. But yeah, that's basically it. So three sunsets here. We can go to another one. I believe this one is a combination. So basically 3 sunsets, 1 portrait, and then 2 black and white. I think this is actually a JPEG image, so we can't do our presets on these. But yeah, all the information. There's going to be more information coming out on these presets. If you want to learn some more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, go to the link down below to buy it and download it and check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.